Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to unlock the Milky Way goat. Let's go. Last niya kanyan eh. Bukas ko na lang upload. Let's go guys, follow my steps. Guys, for the lag, and you go here guys, this test chambers, and then we go down here. Okay guys, we are here, and then go right here, then here. Hey, sorry. Then here. And then check out. And then the first one. It's so easy guys. It's right here. Okay. Second one. First one done guys. Let's go collect our money. Discount. Please get it to this. And then this. You know guys, I'm gonna show you where is the button. But first like and subscribe guys. If you met me the first time, first like and subscribe. This is in the need. This is the button guys. And then second room is now done. You can collect these coins. So guys, we have $2 million I raised for 2 years guys. We have $2 million I raised for 1 year. I raised it guys. This third one is hard guys. It's difficult. You can roll and roll until you find the one painting in there. Then until you find a guy with computer, and then the painting are now many. See, and now you go right here, and the paintings are all over you. But here, you can see, and you can reverse back, and you can see our unknown this. Let's go the fourth one guys. So get your own money. If you want rich, you can use a swindler goat guys, because that's make me rich. The swindler goat makes me rich. First guys, get this item. And the cow. Then the cow is right here. And then click this button guys. And you can unlock a goat. Like this goat guys. You can easily unlock a goat. Like using this one guys. and down. You can unlock easily this goat because look guys, you can unlock this one guys. You use after you get the fourth goat. Now, why are you thinking where is my cow? Because guys, you can put the cow and then guys follow my steps. You go here and then here and you go down with your own cow. And let's go guys. And now that will unlock a cow. Guys, in the next video guys, I'm gonna show you how to get good goat and father goat guys. Bye guys.